Hello students, welcome to the third part of the polymer. Okay, in this part we will discuss about the classification of the polymers on the basis of molecular forces. So polymer possesses several unique mechanical properties such as tensile strength, elasticity, toughness, etc., which are generated due to the following reasons. Okay, so on the basis of the magnitude of intermolecular forces, polymer can be classified into following categories, that is elastomers. So the polymers in which the polymeric chains are held together by the weakest intermolecular forces are called elastomers. Okay. So due to the presence of very weak intermolecular forces, elastomers can be stretched because the chains can move on one another. Since polymers consist of randomly coiled polymer chains, when a force is applied, the randomly coiled chains get opened up and polymer get stretched. So they can be show the elastic properties. Okay. Next, fibers. So the polymers consisting of strong intermolecular forces between polymeric chains are called fibers. Okay. When there is a strong intermolecular force will be present. So the force which helps the polymeric chain together in fibers are strong intermolecular forces such as hydrogen bonding, dipole-dipole interaction, okay, etc. Due to the presence of strong intermolecular forces, fiber possesses high tensile strength and high modulus. Okay, एक example है nylon 66 is an important example of this type of polymer. Next है thermoplastics. So the polymers in which the intermolecular force of attraction are intermediary to those of elastomeric and fibers, मतलब दोनों की बीच की कंडीशन शो करें तो दैट आर नोन एज द थर्मोप्लास्टिक पॉलीमर्स. ओके, थर्मोप्लास्टिक पॉलीमर्स के एग्जांपल्स है इसमें. थर्मोप्लास्टिक पॉलीमर्स जो होते हैं वो बेसिकली लीनियर होते हैं and no cross linking between the polymeric chains due to the presence of moderate and intermolecular forces. ये क्या होते हैं कि on heating they become soft but on cooling they become again hard. So these are known as the thermoplastic polymers. The examples of thermoplastic polymers are there are many: polythene, polypropylene, polyvinyl chloride and polystyrene, etc. are the example of thermoplastic polymers. Next are thermosetting polymers. So the polymers which on heating change irreversibly into hard, rigid and infusible materials are called thermoplastic polymers. So due to the presence of the cross linking, thermosetting polymers cannot be recycled because due to more and more cross linking the polymer become hard and rigid and cannot be recycled. So this type of the polymers are known as the thermosetting polymers. Thermosetting polymers on heating become soft but on cooling they become hard and rigid and cannot be recycled. Okay, so the examples of thermosetting are bakelite resin, melamine resin and urea formaldehyde resin are the examples of thermosetting polymers. Okay, next come effect of the structure of the properties of the polymer. So molecular mass and degree of polymerization. So molecular mass is the one of the most important factor to decide the properties of the polymer, because we know that as well as the molecular mass increases, the melting and boiling point like a physical property will also increases. Okay, so it is an important property by which the physical property will affect of the polymers. Okay, so the molecular mass and degree of polymerization, molecular mass is important factor. So therefore the average intermolecular mass, either the number of average or weight average molecular mass of the polymers are generally used. Okay, to find out the degree of the polymerization.